Hello friends, welcome to Dynamite Knowledge and Computer. Today's video is based on the topic deletion of a node from end of the double linked list. Okay, so first of all we will name the function delete end. Okay, we will name the function as delete end. Then this particular statement means that if start equals to null, then it will check that whether our list is empty or not. If our list is empty and still we want to perform the deletion operation, then definitely it will keep us the underflow condition. Okay, so this particular statement we have seen in the previous videos also. Now we will say now I have assumed one list having 3 nodes. So here this statement means it is false. So the other statements will be executed. That is, first of all we will set one pointer temp at the start position. Okay, so that because as we want to delete from the end of our double linked list, that's why one pointer has to be there so that it can traverse the entire list. So that pointer is temp. Okay, then we will use the while loop. While temp next not equals to null. See, here temp next is not equals to null. It is pointing to the node whose address is 2000. That means our while condition is true. So here it is true. So the next statement, that is set ptr is equal to temp, will be executed. Here we have used another pointer so that it can save the address of our temp pointer. Okay, because we want to delete from the end of our double linked list, so we need to save the address, that is save the node, that is second last node we need to save, so that after the deletion from the end, the second last node becomes the last node. So for that reason we will use another pointer. So let's say we will use, that is ptr. Then so here we will store the address of temp at ptr. Now temp is pointing to the node whose address is 1000. So we will save it at ptr as 1000, and then we will execute this statement, that is set temp is equal to temp next. Okay, so now temp will move to the next node. Now next again it will check this while condition, it will check, that is temp next not equals to null. It is pointing to the node whose address is 3000. Okay, sorry, it's quite clumsy, but I hope you can see it. So here it is pointing to the node, next node whose address is 3000. So here this condition also again becomes true. So here set ptr is equal to temp. This time it will save 2000 because currently temp is pointing to the node whose address is 2000. Okay, after that set temp is equal to temp next. So now temp will move to the next node. Okay, so now again it will check temp next not equals to null. Yeah, this time what is happening is that here at the next part of our last node it is null. I hope you can see it, it is null. Okay, so here this time this condition becomes false. So it comes out of the loop now. And then here is the catch, that is set ptr next is equal to null. Now we will set here, this is ptr. ptr is pointing to our second last node, that is the node whose address is 2000. So here instead of 3000 it will store null. Null means it will no more, that is point to any of the node, no more point to any of the node. Okay, after that what will happen, that is deallocate temp, that is this temp it is deallocated. Okay, and then exit. So this is about the deletion of a node from end of the double linked list, and here is the list which will be visible after the deletion from the end. Earlier there were 3 nodes, and after deletion from the end we have now 2 nodes. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Soon I'll be coming with more conceptual videos. Till then, stay gold, stay safe, and please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.
But we don't talk anymore.